Hello InvTraXies. It's time to gain practical experience in trading on various platforms. This will not only help you grasp the finer points of trading, but also familiarize yourself with the layout, features, and order placement process of different platforms. Additionally, by practicing on these platforms, you'll be able to build confidence in your trading knowledge and determine your preferred trading style. Using demo accounts is an important step in making informed decisions and honing your skills. To get started, try following these 5 simple steps. First, select a reputable broker and download their demo account software. Many brokers provide guides to assist with navigating the platform's features. Second, begin exploring the platform by experimenting with its various features. Don't be afraid to try new things, as this is the best way to fully understand how the platform works. Remember, since this is a demo account, there is no risk of losing money or making mistakes. In fact, it's encouraged to test different features and options to learn more about the platform. Third, apply your prior knowledge to the platform. Test out the various order types, such as how to create, edit, and cancel them. Pay attention to the margin requirements for different currency pairs, the spreads provided. If they are standard or fractional, the rollover policies, and the contract sizes offered, i.e. standard, mini, or micro. Fourth, once you have a solid understanding of how the platform works, use the demo account to try out different trading styles and figure out what suits you best. This is also a good time to consider how you would approach live trading, such as how much capital you would be willing to risk on a single position and what money management strategies you prefer. Finally, it's important to keep in mind that demo trading and live trading are not the same. When trading with real money, emotions can play a big role and can affect your decisions. It's not uncommon for someone to be unfazed by a $10,000 gain or loss in a demo account, but to become emotionally invested in a $100 gain or loss in a live account. Understanding how your emotions can influence your trading is crucial to long-term success. While this is one of the most challenging aspects of trading to master, it's essential for all profitable traders. Mini accounts are a popular choice for traders who have completed demo trading and feel ready to enter the Forex market. Mini accounts were originally intended for traders with less capital to invest, as they involve trading smaller lot sizes of 10,000 units instead of the standard 100,000. However, even experienced traders have begun to favor mini accounts as they offer greater flexibility in terms of position size for their trading strategies. Keep in mind that mini accounts can be risky for some traders and should be approached with caution. Novice traders may struggle to maintain discipline when trading mini accounts, which can lead to piling on more mini lots, effectively trading standard lot sizes. It can also be dangerous if they do not understand how emotions can affect their trading decisions. Join our Telegram channel for free trading signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for future incoming videos. And if you're watching on Facebook, then don't forget to like our page. See you back here soon.